Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Mike and I am a luxury lover, a fashion freak, a go-yard geek,
shopaholic chic.
and today we're going to be doing a little bit of Hermès unlock things and after service stuff. It's part of my Hermès journey, working to my Birkin. So if that's something you're interested in, please stick around. Please consider subscribing. Please smash that like button and keep on watching. And without any further ado, we're gonna get right into the video. Also, you guys, I need to know, so please let me know in the comments below if you like where I do the whole setup. I like my last Hermès video where I put all the Hermès up in here to make it really aesthetic. I change the background every time to to make it look nicer for what I am going to talk about. So I want to know if you guys actually like that. Because if you like it, let me know in the comments below. If you don't care, I'm gonna stop doing it. We're not dealing with any of these boys today or any of these boys today. We're dealing with these boys today. So I have two bags of little unboxings for you. Welcome to my Birkin. Welcome to my Birkin. Welcome to my Birkin. Also, my hair is a mess. So I'm going to do that because I don't think that makes it any better, but I need a haircut. I know I'm usually always wearing hats. I'm looking in the mirror over here. Anyway, without further ado, into the video. And I wore my cardigan, my Argyle cardigan, because we're doing Hermès and we have to be fancy. These are a couple of small things from an online order, just adding to, but online order that I ordered in the store so that it goes towards my sales associate credit. It goes towards my purchase history in the store with the store towards, working with my Birkin. And then this is a pickup of a aftermarket services. So we'll start with this. It's a tiny. So in my last video, I probably unboxed this. So I brought it back. It's the little Ulysses notebook and the red one and the Swift.
That was a little more expensive than I thought it was supposed to be.
And I asked to have my initials put on it. And when I did it, my SA was actually out of town. So I had help with another SA who's lovely. He's great. I've worked with him before, but he said it was going to be a charge. And I was like, oh, I didn't know that because my other SA said it wasn't going to be a charge. But then when I picked it up, to my surprise, there was no charge. He just gave it to me. So that was nice. So he's all wrapped up. So cute. What else is in here? Nothing. A little back. All wrapped up with the sticker. Oh, it came off so easily. So I just got initial monogram. So usually you have two options. I think you have two font size options, two size or maybe 4 or 5 size options, and then you have 2 or 3 color options. I think you can do neutral where it matches the color of the actual item, gold and then silver. And this had palladium hardware, so obviously I was gonna so I got silver to match. Got so much traffic. So here it is, right? My beautiful Swift notebook that I've yet to use with its little booklets inside. As you can see on the inside, it's got the silver in here. So we went and matched it with a little MB right there. How cute is that? Forever monogram with my name. No dots, just the letters. I didn't want a dot. I think you can do M.B, but you can't do 2 dots, which I thought was kind of weird. I think you can only do up to 3 things. You can do 3 initials or 1 dot in the middle, which is didn't look as good. But I got the smaller size in the more straight font. So cute. I can't wait to start using this now. I've been wanting to use it. So I'm gonna start using it. I write little notes in here. Who knows when my notes are gonna be out? There's 3 different little sections. No line paper though, kind of annoying. I kind of wanted line paper, but oh well. We'll deal with what we have. The tags are still on because I've yet to use it. Hermès. Who doesn't know? But this has got, the reason this is more expensive is A, it's Swift, and B, it's double leather. So there's leather on this side and there's leather on this side. Usually it's unlined in here and it's kind of that rough deer hide feeling of inside. But we have 2 different colors. We have the rouge. Actually, I'll tell you what colors they are because I don't know what the colors are. Rouge de coeur, and rouge piment. So rouge de coeur, red of the hot. I don't know which one's which. I think this is probably rouge de coeur and this is probably rouge piment. Just based on the order, probably they put the inside color, 2-tone notebook cover. And then we have notebook refill in printemps. Anyway, really easy. It took not even a day. I gave it on a Saturday afternoon and it was ready that Saturday. It was ready later that day. I didn't go actually in to pick it up until a couple of days later until my essay actually came back. But it was ready literally that day. They have it in-house. Depends on the store. Obviously the Hermès in Beverly Hills is the flagship, bigger store. So they have it in-house and they have the artisans. They can do it there versus maybe a smaller Hermès. You might have to have it shipped out and wait longer. But I got it right away and I can't wait to use it. Yay. Second part, a few quick online orders. Tiberi's still there. These are just 2 little things I got. I don't really need, but I just got to add to my collection of things to work towards things. Comes with the online order receipt, which comes in these pouches with this and the little thing. But it's actually 3 items, but one of them I actually returned because I didn't want anymore. And I had 2 of the same thing and I was just gonna exchange it for a different one. So receipt. So now I have the credit for that, which is sitting at the store. But it's wrapped up so beautifully. Okay, so this is the Hermes pop-up book. It's all wrapped up and beautiful. I might actually give this as a gift, so I'm not gonna unwrap it, but it is a pop-up book with the history of Hermes. It's so cute. It's like 30 bucks. Like if you want something cheap and easy from Hermes that's not too expensive, or just, you know, to give as a gift, sure, you could ask them for a box for this and put in a little box, the gift box. I mean, it would fit perfectly in one of these. Maybe not, maybe a little bigger than that, but it's a pop-up book. See, it's got pop-ups. How cute, how cute, how cute, how cute. Hermes pop-up. The Hermes scarf, you have never seen it before. Open the book and let the wings of Pegasus sweep you away. I don't know. I think it's cute. Little gift. Love it. And then just two more quick things. These were each, like literally that book was 35 bucks, I think. Let's see. These are all like small items. So you don't have to spend a lot of money at Hermes. You guys get like, you just go there. This is like working towards your Birkin, right? Your journey. You just go in like, you know, semi-regularly, build a relationship, show your face, and show that you keep shopping and you're buying things from different categories. So this is a different category, obviously. But you don't have to spend like lots of money. Obviously there is like, they do want you to spend a certain amount to get it, but I think it's more about the relationship. So this book was $35, which, you know, for a pop-up coffee table book is not crazy expensive. I mean, like Urban Outfitters or whatever else, they probably the same price. And I got these two little extra notebooks, super rotten chitin, also 35 bucks. Maybe a little pricey for a little notebook, but they got the little silver lining on them. I got it in red and I got in rouge H and blue carbon. So little notebooks to keep more notes in. Maybe they won't fit inside that, but you know, they got the little Hermes horse carriage thing on the side, silver lining. They look like up close. Also 35 bucks. I mean, just a cute little, I don't know, if you need a gift for someone and you want to give this. It's so cute. See? And it says Hermes front, so the back of that, and it says there. And then it's got that. And then, yeah, literally just a little notebook with lined paper, 60 or 80 pages. I think you can get different sizes, different amounts. You can get lined, unlined, 3 or 4 different sizes. So like from like this small to this, to this, to this. Then you can they have all the different colors. When I was looking, they had rouge H, they had blue carbon, they had like a noir, like a black, maybe one other color. So cute, so little, you know, for your notes. That's all I got. Quick Hermes journey. I was supposed to wear this the whole time. Quick Hermes journey update. Working towards my Birkin. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please give it a like. Please give it a share. Please do whatever you can spare. If you'd like to share with your friends and family, if you hate it, share with your enemies and exes. I know your time is valuable. I know your time is precious. So I appreciate you spending your time here with me. Thank you guys so much. I love you. I love you. And on to the next video. If you have any questions about Hermes, please leave them in the comments below. I answer every question I can. Mwah!